The Curology Cloud Care Duo is the perfect two-step routine for nourishing and hydrating dry, aging skin. This dermatologist-developed set includes the cream oil facial cleanser and weightless face moisturizer, working together to cleanse, hydrate, and visibly soften skin without clogging pores. The cream oil facial cleanser gently removes makeup, sunscreen, and impurities while locking in moisture with squalane and glycerin, leaving skin feeling soft and supple. Paired with a weightless face moisturizer, which melts effortlessly into the skin with tri-ceramides and hyaluronic acid. This duo helps restore hydration and fortify the skin's moisture barrier. With luxurious textures and nourishing ingredients, this set provides a simple yet effective skincare routine that reveals a healthy, radiant glow. Perfect for everyday use and gentle enough for sensitive skin, hydrating, soothing, and glow enhancing, your skin's new best friends.